If you have Japanese beetles in your garden or grubs in your lawn, this may be a pretty good video for you. The blue-winged wasp, or Scolia dubia, which is its Latin name, it is a native wasp to North America. Its two main functions are that of a pollinator and a predator, and we can identify this wasp with a few key characteristics, right? So it's going to typically have, when we look close, it has like blue tinted wings, and then it has a black body and thorax with the base part of its abdomen, which is more of like a reddish orange color. And on its back, on the back of that abdomen, it also has two yellow spots. And so those are just three characteristics that will really stick out that can inform you that you have the blue-winged wasp. So as far as humans and agriculture is concerned, the primary benefit of this insect, this insect predator, is that it will go after different types of beetles, especially beetles that are in the scarab family, right? And when we think scarab, we can automatically think Japanese beetles, right? That's a huge one. And then they'll also go after some other scarabs like June beetles as well. So the Japanese beetle, of course, is a non-native insect pest that has widely and densely populated many parts of North America. So this blue-winged wasp is a very excellent insect predator that we can work to attract to the landscape and help maintain its habitat on the landscape. So how do we do that? Well, there are some different plants that can attract this blue-winged wasp. As I said, it is a pollinator, so it's important for all these plants to be able to go to flower, right? So we have different types of mints, and it's really key that they go to flower. And then we also have some of the related mountain mints as well. Perennial sow thistle, it's a fairly common weed in certain parts of my landscape. Boneset is another plant, right? Another herb. And then of course a lot of these goldenrod species as well. But per my experience, I've seen the blue-winged wasp really be attracted to the mint flowers. So far, that's really popped out on the landscape as like a primary attractant. And then of course, while these wasps, these blue-winged wasps specifically, are able to sting, they're usually not super aggressive. Like whenever I'm in the garden and I walk by like a flowering mint plant, the blue-winged wasp is completely unfazed. You know, it doesn't start buzzing around and getting aggressive or defensive. It just minds its own business and continues pollinating the flowers. So as long as I give this wasp its space, it will give me my space. So thank you so much for checking out this video on the blue-winged wasp. Now we know a little bit more about it, we know its benefits, and we know how we can attract it into the garden or the landscape and maintain its habitat. So I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Take care.